to see that your religion is your belief system, and your belief system determines your behavior. It is very difficult for you to act against your belief system. Therefore, your religion is far more important than your nation. If your belief system and your nation belief system are not alike, your tendency will be to support your religion more and try to change your nation belief system. It will take a lot of effort for you to go against your religion and comply with your nation's religion. You will always feel dishonest to yourself. The character of Bhishma Pitama portrayal is the best example for this. This is the only thing. Confucius once said, to put the world in order, we must first put the nation in order. To put the nation in order, we must first put the family in order. To put the family in order, we must first put our personal life in order. We must set our heart right. It is through a religion which is well grounded in truth that is that that is the only religion which is well grounded in truth, that we can set our hearts right. Therefore, religion is always above a nation. If the people of a nation are humble, are kind hearted to each other, if they respect each other's religion, they are all together and equal. And we need to understand that equality and humanity is everything which can keep a nation together. So we must believe in our religion. So with this, I would like to conclude my speech on the thing, and I would obviously say that religion is something which is more important than the nation. A nation is built with religion, with discipline, with beliefs, and we should always believe in what we are, what religion we belong to, what our religion teaches us, and we should always love our religion. We should always love others' religion. We should always take part in others' religion. We should always be together, be alike each other, spread love, have blessings, and we should always know that we together are one nation, and we are the pride of the nation. A nation is built from us, through religions, through people, through discipline, through respect. So yes, religion is important with nation.